This John L. Scott, Salem property video is presented by Frederick. Lovely, conveniently located single-level home in quiet neighborhood. New roof, drain lines and vapor barrier in 2022. Newer stainless steel appliances, numerous other updates. Extra deep garage has room for workshop, or conversion to living space and still have garage space. House has plenty of built-in storage, plus a pull-down ladder and storage above the garage. The floor plan and huge lot lends itself to many potential expansion options. Park-like backyard. Come and enjoy your private oasis. For more information, review the details below or contact Frederick at 503-585-0100.